Welcome to Sign with JP. I'm your teacher, JP. This is my classroom. Welcome. Today we're learning ASL signs related to time. Time-related signs. These are very important to know. And as always, sign with me. I'm here to teach. I'm hoping you're here to learn. So don't just watch me, but sign along with me. First, we have morning. Morning, we're going to take our hand and lay it in front of us. This is like the horizon, all right? And then we'll put our other hand out in front of us, and this is like our sun that comes up, okay? Boom. Boom, right there, morning. Make sure your hand's open. We don't want this, right? Yeah, that's a rude gesture. Still is in sign language a rude gesture. Open hand, okay? And here's a neat little thing. You actually don't need this hand. If I'm just going like this, it's still morning. Yeah. We'll use the other hand for clarity right now. Morning. Now, what happens when the sun comes up and is straight up? Oh, noon. It comes straight up. So we're actually going to turn this hand. So we have morning is like this. I'm going to turn this so it's palm down. And I'm just going to tap it. Okay? And again, this thing, the clock is pointing to 12. And also the sun is directly above us. Noon. Noon. You may see it with two fingers like this. This is actually the sign for 12. All right, so you can say 12 or noon. Just like in English, we have 12 o'clock and we have noon. What about afternoon? Oh, look, I was trying to figure out a picture to put for here, and I just found the sign picture because I really don't know. Afternoon is just like that. So we have noon, and then the sun starts going down, and that's our afternoon. Okay, afternoon. There you go. And then we have, of course, night. So afternoon comes down. Night, we're going to shrink it up and bend the hand. And it's going to go right over the other hand. Okay, so night. Night. Doesn't cup. We don't do this. This is a different sign. We bend the hand and we kind of just hang it over. Okay, night. All right, so show me morning, noon, afternoon, and night. Boom, you got it down. If you need to, pause and run through them again. You should be able to get these. Morning, noon, afternoon, night. And I know I'm going fast, but I'm just giving you an example of what it looks like. You practice a few times and you'll be able to do it, I promise, in a few minutes. Minute. Minute, we're going to use one hands. Just like that, use the number one. Put your dominant hand on top. Boom, right? I'm pointing to my palm area, right? And then I just wiggle that top hand, which is my dominant hand. If I'm right-handed, that's my right hand. And that is 1 minute. 1 minute. To sign hour, use your non-dominant hand, so my left, because I'm right-handed, as the clock face, okay? And the minute hand, which is here, goes all the way around for an hour, right? So you can do it with the bend in the wrist, as I just did, or you can keep your hand straight and move the whole thing around, okay? Both are correct and both are used. I tend to use this one because I don't like to bend my wrist. I'm signing all the time, and this starts to wear on me. So 1 hour. Now we have a day. So show me your horizon again. Okay. You're going to do a number one. Put it up there so it's standing straight up, and you're just going to bring it down. And now look, when I bring it down, the palm is toward me. It's not down this way. It's this way. See the difference? So palm toward me all the way. There it is. Day. And really, you're signing 1 day. Okay, but what about a week? Now I have the calendar up here because the week goes all the way across, right? So the week is going to go all the way across. So here, put your non-dominant palm up, and that is like the calendar. And the week, take your one and you drag it across. I'm dragging it across. There's my week. That's right, week. For month, non-dominant hand is a number one, palm out. Okay, I do another number one, but I put the backs of my fingers together. See where I'm at? Don't put it on this side, it goes on this side. And drag it straight down. Okay, so it's here. Just one time, down, 1 month. And the year, non-dominant hand, fist, dominant hand, fist on top, and it goes forward and around and lands on top. And someone told me this, so I'm going to go with it. Imagine that this is the sun and this is the earth, and it goes around the sun. If that helps you remember, go for it. All right, let's do a quick review because that was a lot of signs and these are fairly complex. So we have minute, one hand on the one hand. Okay, hours on the clock face. Okay, day is like with the horizon, palm towards you. Yep. Week goes across the calendar. Month, backs of fingers together. Oh, and I didn't do weekend. I'll come back to that one. Let's do year. There you go. All right, so weekend. What we're going to do is we're going to do week, and then the hand just falls off the end. Week, end. You got it. All right, before we move on, I strongly encourage you right now, pause the video and practice these because the next set of signs works off of these. So if you know these, it's much easier. Now, do you remember these? And night. Yes. You guys, these are very challenging signs when you first see them, but if a little bit of practice, you will get it. So pause the video now, run through them until you get them. If you forgot, just back the video up and watch it and go through it again. I hope you do because I really hope you learn these. These are very common signs, and I have more time signs coming on the next video, and you need to know these so that you can do the other ones because they are connected. If you got them, great job. Congratulations. I just always want to remind you, I got a full course that scales lessons built on conversations. So really you can learn without having to do this kind of rote repetition. But through the conversation, you start getting it and you start putting signs in order and connecting them. And I really put a lot of heart and soul into that. So I want to give you access for a week, completely free, to explore the course, see what you think. And if it's for you, it'll help you on your signing journey. And if you just want to keep enjoying my free lessons, I'm here and I will keep on doing it. So like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and you can see me, and I will see you on the next video.